The power of honesty, a lesson in trustworthiness. Once upon a time, in a little village, there was a boy named Tim. Tim loved playing with his friends, but sometimes he made mistakes. One day, Tim accidentally broke his friend's favorite toy car. He felt scared and didn't know what to do. Instead of hiding the truth, Tim decided to be honest. He went up to his friend and said, "I'm really sorry, but I accidentally broke your toy car. I didn't mean to, and I feel really bad about it." Tim's friend looked surprised at first but then smiled and said, "Thank you for being honest, Tim. It's okay, accidents happen. I appreciate your honesty." Tim felt relieved that his friend forgave him. He learned that being honest was important because it showed that he was trustworthy. He realized that telling the truth, even when it was hard, was the right thing to do. From that day on, Tim made a promise to himself to always be honest. He knew that when he told the truth, people would trust and respect him more. His friendships grew stronger because his friends knew they could count on him to be truthful. Tim also discovered that being honest helped him feel good about himself. He didn't have to carry the weight of lies or worry about getting caught. Honesty gave him a sense of freedom and peace in his heart. As Tim grew older, he continued to practice honesty in all aspects of his life. He became known as a reliable and trustworthy person. People sought his advice and valued his opinion because they knew he would always be truthful. The story of Tim taught children that the power of honesty was important for building strong relationships and gaining the trust of others. It showed them that being honest might not always be easy, but it was the right thing to do. Tim's story became a lesson in trustworthiness, reminding children that honesty is a superpower that brings happiness and builds lasting friendships.